Hi, this is Mark Noah, student number 15416844. Right, this is supposed to be the video for this is the video for artificial intelligence assignment number one, image classification. Right, now I'm submitting this video trying to explain or add explanation about the figure that are the reports because I miss not that I miss I was trying to see how the submission will be working. Then unfortunately I was unable to resubmit it to put my complete report. So I'm explaining that figure that is in the report. Right. But before that, I wanted just to give some background on what we have done to implement this. This is Google Colab. If we work, uh, connect. Okay. Right. Okay. So we've done it with I'll just explain briefly the process. So we had something like 24,000 images for seven categories of expressions. The categories that are already in the report, and then we choose to do it with a batch size of 20. Now, the batch size of 20, or batch size which well, normally is defined as the number of samples that we propagate through the network before updating the model parameters. So that means when the batch samples start, the batch of samples that will go through one full forward and backward propagation, right? So now, uh, since the batch size is 20 and the total number is or samples of kind of 24,000, and the number of epoch that we selected here, yep, you can see the number of epoch is 100. So we will have 20 samples will be taken at a time, yeah, at a time to train the network. Now, to go through all the 24,000 samples, it will take us 1,200 iterations. How do we find the 1,200 iteration? Is the number of samples, 24,000 divided by 20, which is 1,200. That will make only one epoch. So since we have 100 epoch, we will take that one epoch, one that one iteration of 24,000, that would take 1,200 iterations. So for one epoch, so we'll make it 100 times. Right. Okay. So now that's what we have done here, roughly. Uh, roughly. Okay. We can see at the end the validation accuracy is something like uh, 0.86. 0.86. Right. Now, if we can go back to the report now, this is the figure for um, trained network. That's we've done the training ourselves from scratch. So if we can try to explain it, so for example, on the validation loss, we can see the loss that it was high, yeah, high, and going down, down, down until something like 1.6. The same thing with the validation loss, which is not really quite aligned, uh, going up and down, and until going down at the bottom. The same thing for training and validation accuracy. Right. There was another two figures that was for a pre-trained network. That was not really quite uh, accurate, but we needed to make put it on a report to make the difference or to compare. Right. This is what I wanted to add for that report. And then, yes, sir. Again, the video that we're supposed to do normally was the video that we can test it to see that our uh, performance, our let's say, work is how is performing. But I had a problem with the MATLAB. I couldn't complete the uh, the implementation to create something that we can test it. But with the reports and I believe with the code, we can see that everything was going normal. So thank you for watching, and God bless.